Welcome to Flavortown Five Guys style. If you're a burger enthusiast, you're in for a treat. Five Guys is not just a place to eat, it's an experience, a journey into the heart of burger perfection. Alright, burger lovers, get ready to dive into a world of juicy patties, cooked to perfection on a sizzling grill. Each patty is a masterpiece, crafted with care and precision. And let's not forget the crispy fries, hand-cut and seasoned just right. These aren't your average fries, they're a crunchy, golden delight that complements the burgers perfectly. We're about to uncover the secrets behind Five Guys, the burger joint that's got everyone raving. From the bustling kitchen to the happy customers, there's a story behind every bite. Picture this, a sizzling patty, fresh-cut fries piled high, and that irresistible aroma filling the air. It's a sensory overload that promises a taste explosion. That's Five Guys, baby. They're all about keeping it real, with quality ingredients and a passion for crafting the perfect burger. Fresh lettuce, ripe tomatoes, and all the toppings you can imagine. Get ready to crank up the flavor because we're going on a wild ride through the Five Guys kitchen. Watch as the magic happens, from the grill to your plate. Hold on tight because things are about to get delicious. The burgers are juicy, the toppings are fresh, and the flavors are out of this world. Are you ready to taste the difference? Let's do this. Dive into the Five Guys experience and discover why this place is a burger lover's paradise. Beefy Bliss, where the magic begins. At Five Guys, it all starts with the star of the show, the beef. Forget about frozen patties, these guys are all about fresh, never frozen ground beef. That's right, they treat their meat like royalty. They use a special blend of chuck, sirloin, and round, which gives their patties that perfect balance of flavor and juiciness. And they don't skimp on quality. They hand-form their patties daily, so you know you're getting the good stuff. No freezers, no shortcuts, just pure, unadulterated beefy goodness. Now that's what I call a recipe for success. Grillin' time. Feel the heat. Next stop, the griddle. This is where the magic happens. Five Guys cooks their burgers on a flat-top griddle, which gives them those beautiful crispy edges. The sound of the patties hitting the hot griddle is music to any burger lover's ears. The air fills with the mouth-watering aroma of sizzling beef, making your stomach growl with anticipation. They use a smash technique, pressing the patties down to create a nice crust and lock in all those flavorful juices. The result? A burger that's crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and bursting with flavor. Burger Construction 101, from bun to bliss. Welcome to the ultimate guide on building the perfect burger, where every bite is a journey from bun to bliss. Now comes the fun part, building your burger. It's not just about stacking ingredients, it's about creating a masterpiece. Five Guys is famous for its customizable burgers, with over 250,000 possible topping combinations. Imagine the endless possibilities. That's right, you heard me right. Over 250,000 ways to make your burger uniquely yours. Start with their soft sesame seed buns, perfectly toasted to a golden brown. These buns are the foundation of your burger, providing that perfect crunch and softness in every bite. Then, let your imagination run wild with their array of fresh toppings. The freshness of these ingredients will elevate your burger to the next level. From classic lettuce, tomato, and onion, which add that essential crunch and juiciness, to grilled mushrooms, jalapenos, and their signature Five Guys sauce, the possibilities are endless. Feeling adventurous? These toppings add a burst of flavor and excitement. Try their grilled onions or green peppers for an extra kick. These grilled veggies add a smoky, savory element that enhances every bite. And don't forget the cheese. Cheese is the glue that holds your burger together, adding creaminess and richness. They've got everything from American and cheddar to provolone and Swiss. Each type of cheese brings its own unique flavor and texture, making your burger truly one of a kind. Section 5. Wrap it up, a culinary masterpiece. Once your burger is loaded with all your favorite toppings, it's time to wrap it up like the culinary masterpiece it is. Five Guys uses a special wrapping technique that keeps your burger intact and prevents any messy spills. They carefully fold the foil around the burger, creating a tight seal that locks in all those delicious flavors. This also helps to steam the bun, making it extra soft and pillowy. The final touch? A big red Five Guys stamp letting you know you're in for a treat. It's like receiving a present filled with pure burger bliss. Section 6. Freshness Fanatics. The Five Guys way. One of the things that sets Five Guys apart from the rest is their unwavering commitment to freshness. They don't even own freezers in their restaurants. That's right, everything is made fresh daily, from their hand-cut fries to their hand-spun milkshakes. They believe that fresh ingredients make a world of difference in taste and quality, and it shows in every bite. Their produce is delivered fresh each morning, and their beef is ground fresh throughout the day. This dedication to freshness is a testament to their passion for quality and their commitment to providing their customers with the best possible burger experience. Section 7, Spectacular Sides, Fries that rock your world. No trip to Five Guys is complete without an order of their famous fries. These aren't your average frozen fries. These are hand-cut, cooked in peanut oil, and sprinkled with just the right amount of salt. They use fresh, never-frozen potatoes that are hand-cut and cooked in 100% peanut oil. This gives them a unique flavor and a crispy texture that's simply addictive. And here's a little secret, they intentionally overfill their fry containers so you get a bonus scoop of potato-y goodness. Now that's what I call customer service. Section 8, the Five Guys Factor, what makes it so darn good? So, what's the secret behind Five Guys mouth-watering burgers? It's a question that has intrigued burger lovers for years. It's simple, really. It's the perfect combination of fresh, high-quality ingredients cooked to perfection and customizable to your liking. Every ingredient is meticulously chosen to ensure the best possible flavor and texture. From their juicy, never-frozen beef patties to their hand-cut fries and endless topping choices, Five Guys ensures that every bite is a delightful experience. The beef is always fresh, never frozen, and the fries are cut by hand every day. Every element of a Five Guys burger is designed to deliver a flavor explosion that'll leave you craving more. The toppings are plentiful and varied, allowing you to create a burger that's uniquely yours. But it's more than just the food, it's the experience. It's the friendly service, the open kitchens, and the casual, welcoming atmosphere that makes you feel right at home. The feeling that you're getting a burger that's made just for you is unparalleled. The staff takes pride in their work, ensuring that every burger is crafted with care and attention to detail. So, next time you're craving a burger that's bursting with flavor, remember that Five Guys is the place to go. The combination of quality ingredients and exceptional service makes it a standout choice. Head on down to your nearest Five Guys. Whether you're dining in or taking out, the experience is sure to be memorable. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. The satisfaction of biting into a perfectly made burger is something you won't